friends, it's Paula Tish, your favorite Huntsville realtor, and welcome to Life in Huntsville, Alabama. Today I am standing in MidCity. Think of it as Huntsville's answer to a modern walkable city center. Let's check it out. There are so many food and entertainment options in the MidCity area. There are restaurants ranging in a vibe from the Salt Factory Pub. Recently, I did a video on shrimp and grits all throughout Alabama, and we visited the Salt Factory Pub. There's also Tupelo Honey right behind me. Excellent, excellent restaurant. If you're looking for barbecue or Asian fusion, you can find it here in MidCity. Okay, you guys, imagine if you lived here in MidCity. There are all these options for apartment and luxury rentals, and over here is the Orion. You could come out and sit in this beautiful green space or get on your balcony or whatever, and I bet you can hear the concerts right from your backyard. MidCity is the home to many entertainment options, starting with the Orion. The Orion is a beautiful amphitheater with outdoor concerts, great food, great cocktails, all the things. Also, Topgolf. Who doesn't love Topgolf, right? And over here we have Dave & Buster's. And finishing off this whole thing is the camp. An excellent, fun place to go, whether it's a Sunday market or cocktails on a Friday night with some live music. The camp offers all kinds of really fun adventures for you here in MidCity. Because of this awesome central location, the whole MidCity area is located between Highway 72 and 565, and it's just centrally located to downtown Huntsville, downtown Madison, all the things. And because of that, it needed all this green space and pathways and places for people to walk or run or bike and just enjoy being outside in the Huntsville area. The location, again, right off of Highway 72, the camp is right here, and then right behind me is the one and only Trader Joe's. Everyone was so excited to get this Trader Joe's. It's a wonderful opportunity for the Huntsville area, and do you know what? The newest thing is IKEA. IKEA is coming just, I don't know, half a mile away from here. So MidCity is getting all the things. That's a wrap on MidCity. This is a really great space for you to check out when you come to Huntsville to visit. Like I said, there's places to rent, there's hotels to stay in, and there's all kinds of entertainment options in and around this area. So don't miss it. So if you're looking to relocate or move within the Huntsville area, I am here to help. Give me a call. I want you to love where you live.